Hello everyone, welcome to the chapter number 3 Windows Operating System. Myself Preeti Godha. Today we are going to discuss about the components of Windows 7. So in this the first component is Windows Desktop. What is Windows Desktop? When we turn on or off our system, the first screen which appears in front of us is called as desktop. Look, this is our first screen. This screen is called as desktop. On this desktop, we have small icons. Look, all these are the icons. Are small pictures on the desktop that contain different applications and programs. Look, this is the different application. This is the different folders created on the desktop. So all these are called as the icons. The small icons which is appearing on the desktop is either maybe of applications or maybe of any of the programs. After than that, we will discuss about the taskbar. This is called as the taskbar. The bottom line which appears on the desktop is called as taskbar. On this taskbar, we have start button, search box. In this search box we can search any of the applications. Then we have some pinned programs, we have some pinned applications. Then in the right side we have notification area, clock area, speaker, wi-fi connections, battery, mic. All these things are available under the taskbar. So when we are discussing about the taskbar, how we are opening the files from the taskbar. If we pin any of the file on the taskbar, then we can directly open it from here. Then this is called as recycle bin. In this recycle bin, when we delete any of the file, all the deleted files are stored in this recycle bin. आपने जो भी फाइल डिलीट की है वो इस रिसाइकल बिन में जाकर स्टोर हो जाएगी. By chance, if you deleted any file by mistake, then you can restore it from the recycle bin. This is the recycle bin. I'm opening it by double click. So in this recycle bin, I'm getting the list of the files which I deleted. The list of the files will appear in this recycle bin. It is loading now. Look, this recycle bin is having a list of files. If we want to restore any of the file, then we can select that file, right click on it and restore it. So from where it is deleted, it will again restore on the same position. अगर आपसे मिस्टेक से कोई फाइल डिलीट हो गई है और आप उसे वापस लाना चाहते हो तो आप उसे रीस्टोर कर सकते हो. That means you want to restore your deleted files. So that is also called as dustbin of the computer. So we can say that it is a dustbin which stores all the deleted files. Then if we want to open any of the folder, then we have to double click on it. This yellow color icon is known as folder. This is also a folder, this is also a folder. Okay, so yellow color icons are called as folder. When we want to open any of the folder, then we have to double click on any of the folder. If we want to go for the pictures, then we can open the pictures from the picture library. In the right side, we are getting clock as well as time. Clock and time is appearing on the right side of the taskbar. All these are known as the shortcuts, and this is the start button where we are getting all the applications which is installed in the computer. In the start button, we are getting all the program files. Look, these all are the program files which we are getting in the start button. If we want to open any of the file, then we can select the file from this list. Suppose that I want to open the photos, then I can choose this one and I can open it. So in this way, we can select any of the file by clicking with mouse. So the photos folder will appear on our screen. The photos which we captured and stored in our system is appearing here. So this is called as the photos window. In this way we can open any of the file as well as program application. So I hope this video is clear to you. In this video we discussed about the desktop and its components of the Windows 7 we discussed in this video. So first of all we discussed about Windows desktop, then taskbar and its uses. In the taskbar we discussed about start button, search box, pinned items, clock, and recycle bin, files and folders. So these are the things which we discussed in this video. I hope this video is clear to you. Thank you everyone for watching this video.